I'm gonna leave this heater running. Monster, come on. Day numero 3 of LaLa and Papa not being here, and me and Chelsea doing chores. You know, usually it's not super difficult, but I tell you what, with the normal morning and night chores, and then all this other extra stuff that Mom does with these bottle babies. Good morning, Rodney. It gets to be a real chore. So we're gonna get these bottle babies and pigs fed real quick. Chelsea's over dealing with the Nigerian dwarfs. Rodney's hungry. I'm gonna feed him real quick so he'll stop doing that. Yeah, everybody's hungry this early in the morning. Now I'm done with all that. I'll go feed Betsy and then go see if Chelsea needs help with the baby. She should be about done. Oh, baby. I just wanted to know if you were coming out, because I know it's warm in the car and it's really cold out here. Are you coming out? No? You're not even gonna look at me, are you? Okay. Enjoy the warmth of the truck, monster. Look, I like the cut at the bottom too, where it kind of covers, like, it comes up on the sides, but then it cuts low in the front and the back.
Yeah.
It looks comfortable.
It is.
Release them! Either that or it'll go viral. So okay, I'll put it. You done over there? It's cold enough? You done over there? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, go. Yeah, go. Yeah, go. Yeah, go. Yeah, go. Yeah, 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 go. Yeah, go. Yeah, yeah, go. Yeah, yeah, go. Yeah, go. Now we do a baby check.
We interrupt this broadcasting for feeding of baby goats.
Show you a little bit of what we got done yesterday. So this last tarp that starts over there and runs all the way down, that still has the roll attached to it, that actually needs to be brought back up. This is going to be bare until about here, running this way, and the reason for that is we're gonna have two bare rows that we can go ahead and sow directly into the ground, and then we'll have a piece of ground cover that goes in between, again, two bare beds, open beds, and then we'll also put thing of ground cover across that box over there, butt it right up against it. We still have to do a lot of the cutting into the corners to make sure that weeds don't grow in the very corners of, like, the tin that goes all the way around, or a 4x4 support beam. or a 4x4 post. This corner over here, so over in this corner we got our little turkey fig from Walmart. It's like the easiest fig that you can possibly grow. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to take landscape timbers, actually cut that into where that over there is open. So last night, like I said, it froze, so we had to put that on there. I'm about to take those off. Thank you guys very much again for watching this. I thought it was going to be more on doing a tarp. Thought we were going to be able to complete the tarp, but seeing as though I got to tear up a spot, save it for again another video. It's taking a little bit longer than what I expected, but I'm sure Papa will appreciate it. Thank you guys again for watching. Remember, always be kind to each other. Always remember to treat others as you would like to be treated. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.